Let's go. Hey, how come my door wasn't locked, Marley? Why wasn't the door locked, Marley? It was open. Look at the wall.
Oh, the Easter Bunny! The Easter Bunny came!
Follow its tracks.
And there's Jay.
Figure out where he went.
He went up there.
Keep going. Maybe he went further.
Up there. Yep. Here he went. And up here.
See if he went any further.
Yep, he went here.
Did he go any further?
And
What happened to the counter?
your mom, you're still on the counter.
Was he up on my counter?
Yeah, the thing. Yeah. And look at it all over the place.
What did he do? Marley, he left you a note. What's all that junk he left up there? Get your mommy to come read it for you.
Look, look, let me.
Did he eat a cookie too while he was here? Let's see.
Let me 7 names.
I'll let you some candy.
Yeah.
I think he ate your pink mints too. Did he eat your pink mints? Okay, let's see. Hi, Marley. Look. Read it. Hopped by to see if you were being a good boy, but you weren't home.
So there's a good boy.
Another track.
There's more tracks.
Wait,
Figure out where they go.
Look, one's turned up here. Oh, one turn.
Wait, look. Get your mom to read. There's another letter.
Mom, there's another letter up here.
I'm coming.
Look, who lives in my bathroom?
Wait, let your mom read this first.
Yes, I had to use your bathroom, but was in a hurry and forgot to flush. Can you go flush for me?
Go look at it.
Ew, you got Zen This candy.
No, he cooked jelly beans. And he left his fur behind. Ew.
Look! I got footprint!
Did you flush his jelly bean poo?
No, you should flush it.
You need to flush it.
It's so gross. Choo-choo, look behind you.
Oh no, he was all over the place, wasn't he?
Mom.
Was he Uncle Jim?
Zoom.
I don't know, I guess he left. He had other kids he had to go visit. He just stopped to poo and see if you were home. It's
Poo.
not Easter yet. He'll be back on Easter.
Hey, poo.
I know.
I'm gonna go down the gym. Let's go. Let's get down on me. There's somebody poo. Uncle Jim now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wait, don't outrun me!
Hey, Uncle Jim. The Easter bunny pooped
Where did he poop?
in my toilet.
Did he really? He
Yeah.
came to see you while he was gone?
She pooped jelly beans at the
I eat jelly beans here in my house. The bunny poops jelly beans. I ain't eating no more.
Did you poop those?
No, I bought these yesterday. Does he poop them out?
Huh?
Does he poop them out?
Yeah.
You ate rabbit too.
It's I didn't flush it.
Oh no, man.
Did I flush yours?
Yeah. That's crazy, dude.
The Brittany has to flush yours.
Yes, there was bunny poop in mine too.
Crazy, man.
Is that cool?
I bet my dad has bunny poop.